Hello and welcome to another edition of Math with Miss Bertrand. You have made it to level 3. Congratulations. This is the top of the levels for, grade 7, grade 8. If you're in grade 6 and you're here, congratulations. That's awesome. The reason why this is level 3 for order of operations is because now we're involving exponents. If you're in grades 6 and 7, chances are you have not seen exponents yet. If you are in grade 8, you should have seen exponents. So we'll do a quick review of exponents in this lesson, and then we're going to go into some of these questions. I'm going to solve 2 questions on this worksheet. I'm actually going to solve number 6 first, and then I'll solve number 1 just to show you the difference, because they are a little bit different in terms of the exponents. So we're going to start off with a really quick lesson on exponents at the top here. So exponents are not just simply multiplying. There is multiplying, but it's a little bit different. So if we see 2 to the power of 2, that's actually rewritten as 2 times 2 is 4. And here's the trick. You'd be like, well, Miss Bertrand, 2 times 2 is 4. Well, what if I said 2 to the power of 3? You'll be like, oh, that's just 6. And I'll be like, wrong-o, it's not 6, because 2 to the power of 3 actually is 2 times itself 3 times. So it's 2 times 2 times 2, which is in fact 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. If we keep going, 2 to the power of 4, people will be like, oh, that's just 8, Miss Bertrand. And I'll be like, nope, wrong. Again, 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that would actually be 16, because it's 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So that's just a quick lesson on exponents, but let's get into PEDMAS now for level 3. So if I'm going to actually look at question 6 first. So we're going to do number 6 first. The first thing we do, according to order of operations, is our bracket or parentheses. So we actually do 26 minus 2 first, which is 24. Then I rewrite the rest of my question. I don't like to do 2 steps at once. I just like to do one step at once. And then I'm left with 24 divided by 2 minus 4 squared. Well, the next thing I do is actually the 4 squared. And now remember, it's not 4 times 2. It's not 8. It's actually 4 times 4. So I'm going to write this here. This is actually 4 times 4. And that is 16. So we're going to go 24 divided by 2 minus 16. Now we have a division and subtraction, and we do the division first, because according to our order, 24 divided by 2 is 12. And 12 minus 16 is negative 4. Remember, do not go 16 minus 12. It is 12 minus 16, and your answer is negative 4. So that's question 6. Now we're going to move on to question 1. And the reason why I wanted this one as well is because we have we have an exponent outside of parentheses. Like, what does that mean? We've never seen that before. That's okay. We're still going to follow our order of operations. And our order of operations says to do the parentheses first, not the exponents. That's okay. So we're actually going to deal with the 12 minus 4 first. 12 minus 4 is 8. And this is the only time where I'll do 2 steps at once, because these 2 brackets are completely separate from each other, and they happen at the same time, and they don't affect each other. So I actually do them at the same time just to kind of save me some writing. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. I carry down everything else. So again, I can keep the brackets. You don't have to, but I don't want to forget that square there. So I carry down the square. I've done the 18 divided by 2 is 9, and I carry down the plus. Now my next step, according to order of operations, is exponents. So I would do the 8 square. Now, please do not make the mistake of 8 square is 16. It is not 8 times 2. It is 8 times 8, which is 64, plus 9 is 73. So make sure you're going 8 times 8, not 8 times 2. Such a common error. You're all probably going to do it at one point. I just really want to make that clear. And that is level 3 with exponents. So congratulations on getting this far again.